Say hi.
Hi.
You're the best. You're the best.
Huh?
You're such a good actor.
I'm such a good actor?
Yeah.
Why's that?
I'm apparently a chair, but I don't know. You're pregnant. Yeah, you can sit.
Oh, okay. Chris is getting up. We're good. We're good. I forgot this is an airbag.
It's an airbag?
No.
That's weird.
It's a bed that retains air. It's not actual airbag.
Not smart, okay.